Hi friends, welcome to Amol Shinde's channel. Today we are going to learn Ramsar wetlands and their states. So here is a trick for you. Before going to trick, we should know what is Ramsar Convention. Ramsar wetlands, okay. The convention on wetlands called Ramsar Convention is an intergovernmental treaty that provides the framework for national action and international cooperation for the conservation and wise use of the wetlands and their resources. Okay, so it's intergovernmental treaty and it is nothing but the conservation and wise use of the wetlands and their resources. The Convention on Wetlands of international importance, especially waterfall habitat, Ramsar Convention is an international treaty designed to address the global concern regarding the wetland loss and degradation. It's a global concern regarding the wetland loss and degradation. The Convention on Wetlands signed in Ramsar, Iran in 1971. Okay, Ramsar, Iran, 1971. The convention uses a broad definition of the wetland. It includes all lakes, rivers, underground aquifers, swamp, marshes, wet grasslands, peatlands, oases, estuaries, deltas, tidal flats, mangroves, and other coastal areas, coral reefs, all human-made sites such as fish ponds, rice paddies, reservoirs, salt pans. Okay, such a broad definition. Then next, under the three pillars of the convention, the contracting parties commit to what they committed in their contract, work towards the wise use of their wetlands. Next, design it suitable wetlands for the list of wetlands of international importance, that is Ramsar list, and ensure their effective management. So effective management, okay. Next, cooperate internationally on transboundary wetlands, shared wetland system, and shared species. So these are the three commitments each and every country who is in this Ramsar Convention has to do. Okay, next, here is a trick for you right now. Renuka wetland is in Himachal Pradesh. Chandertal wetland, Himachal Pradesh. Pongdam Lake, Himachal Pradesh. Okay, so here Renuka, Chandertal, Pongdam. Okay, how to remember this? Consider हिमाचल की रेणुका चांद पे गए. हिमाचल की रेणुका चांद पे गए. So रेणुका, that is Renuka wetland. Then Chand, that is Chandertal wetland, and Pe, that is Pongdam. Okay, Renuka Chand Pe, like that. Next one, Vular Lake, Jammu and Kashmir. Hokera wetland, Jammu and Kashmir. Somoreri, Jammu and Kashmir. Surinsar, Mansar, Jammu and Kashmir. So consider a statement for this one. वुल हो तो संसार हो. क्या हो तो संसार हो? वुल हो तो संसार हो. वुल, that is Vular Lake. Ho, that is Hokera. To, that is Somoreri. And Sansar, that is Surinsar, Mansar. Okay, Vul, Vular Lake. Ho, Hokera. To, Somoreri. It sounds so. Okay, Sansar, Surinsar, Mansar. Again, Himachal Pradesh, that is Renuka Chand Pe Gaye. Okay, Renuka wetland, Chand, Chandertal, Pe, that is Pongdam, that is Himachal Pradesh. The next one, Vular Lake, Jammu and Kashmir. Hokera, Jammu and Kashmir. Somoreri, Jammu and Kashmir. Surinsar, Jammu and Kashmir. Vul ho to sansar ho. Vular Lake, Hokera, तो सोमोरेरी, संसार, सुरिनसर, मानसर. Then next one, Nal Sarovar. Nal Sarovar, Gujarat. Gujarat never faces the water scarcity. Nal, okay, Nal में पानी, like that. So Gujarat never faces the water scarcity, that is Nal है वहाँ पे बहुत सारे, इसलिए गुजरात को वाटर स्कार्सिटी फेस नहीं करता है. By this way you can remember it easily. Gujarat never faces the water scarcity, that's why Nal Sarovar is there, Gujarat. East Calcutta wetland. East Calcutta wetland, no need to explain. Calcutta, West Bengal. Bhitarkanika mangrove and Chilka wetland, Odisha. Consider this O. I write something in this O. It means that I write Bhitar of O. Okay, that is why Bhitarkanika mangrove. And after writing in this O, it goes chill. Okay, chill हो जाता है ये. So that's why Chilka wetland, Odisha. Harika, Punjab. Kanjli, Punjab. And Ropar, Punjab. Harika and Kanjli, consider these two friends, two girls, love Punjab rose. पंजाब के रोज़ उनको बहुत पसंद है. ओके, रोज़, हरिका दैट इज़ हरिका, कांजलि रोज़ दैट इज़ रोपर, रो. ओके, सो हरिका एंड कांजलि लव्स पंजाब रोज़. अगेन हरिका, कांजलि, रोपर, पंजाब. हरिका and Kanjli loves Punjab rose. Keoladevra and Sambar, Rajasthan. These are two different wetlands. Okay, so Keoladevra, arbitrary written here Ra, that is Rajasthan. Keoladevra plus Sambar, that is Rajasthan. Keoladevra, Ra for Rajasthan, Sambar. So Keoladevra, Sambar, Rajasthan. Rudrasagar Lake, Tripura. Consider this Dra as a Tra. Okay, so you will easily remember this Rudra 3 something. Okay, so Rudra Sagar, that is Tripura. Ashtamudi, Kerala. Sashtamkota, Kerala. Thrissur Kol, Kerala. Vembanad Kol, Kerala. Again Ashtamudi, Kerala. Sashtamkota Lake, Kerala. Thrissur Kol, Kerala. Vembanad Kol, Kerala. So here is a trick. Aishwarya Sas throws Vicks. Aishwarya Sas throws Vicks. Aishwarya, that is Ash is Ashtamudi. Sas, that is Sashtamkota. So consider first three letters. So Sashtamkota Lake, Kerala. Throws, that is throw, THR. So here THR, throws. Vicks, that is V. This is V for Vembanad. Okay, and K for Kerala. So Aishwarya Sas throws Vicks. That is Ashtamudi for Aishwarya, Sas for Shashtamkota, Thrissur, that is for Kerala, Thrissur for throws for Thrissur, Vembanad, that is Vicks ka V, and then K for Kerala. Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake, consider Manipur ke Lok. Manipur ke Lok, that is Loktak Lake. Point Calumet Wildlife and Bird Sanctuary. Point Calumet Wildlife and Bird Sanctuary. Consider Tamil Nadu's point. This is Point Calumet and Wildlife Sanctuary is Tamil Nadu's point. Point, okay, Point Tamil Nadu's point. Then next, Upper Ganga River. Upper Ganga River in Uttar Pradesh. It is from Bridge Ghat to Narora Stretch. No trick for this one. Upper Ganga River. You know that Uttar Pradesh is in upper region, northern region. That's why Upper Ganga River, Uttar Pradesh, Bridge Ghat to Narora Stretch. Deepor Bill, Assam. So consider it's Assam's bill. Okay. Deepor Bill, Assam's bill. Deepor Bill, Assam's bill. Koleru Lake, Koleru Lake, that is Andhra Pradesh. Bhoj wetland, Madhya Pradesh. Koleru Lake, you should know that it is in Andhra Pradesh, and Bhoj wetland, बहुत भूख लगी है मध्य प्रदेश के लोगों को, that is Bhoj wetland, Madhya Pradesh. So by this way you can easily remember this one. Again I am repeating this one time. Okay. So here हिमाचल की रेणुका चांद पे गए. So रेणुका चांद for Chandratal and Pe for Paung Dam Lake. Vular Lake, Jammu and Kashmir. Hokera, Somoreri and Surinsar Mansar, Jammu and Kashmir. So Vul ho to Sansar ho, that is why Vul, Vular Lake, ho, that is Hokera, to, that is Somoreri, Sansar, that is Sansar Mansar, Surinsar Mansar. Next one, Nal Sarovar. Gujarat never faces the water scarcity because of Nal Sarovar. Consider this Nal is for Nal, okay? Nal for Nal Sarovar, Gujarat. The next, East Calcutta wetland, West Bengal. Calcutta, that is West Bengal. Simple one. Bhitarkanika mangrove and Chilika wetland. I write Bhitar of this O and it goes chill. Harika, Kanjili and Ropar. Then Harika and Kanjili loves Punjab rose. Kevladevra plus Sambar. Kevladevra plus Sambar, Rajasthan. Rudrasagar, consider Dra as a Tra, so Rudra, Tripura. Then Ashtamudi, Sashtamkota, Thrissur and Vembanad. Aishwarya Sas throws Vix. Ash, that is Ashtamudi. Sas, that is Sashtamkota. Throw, that is Thrissur. V, that is Vembanad, and K for Kerala. Loktak Lake, Manipur ke lok. Point Calimere Wildlife and Bird Sanctuary, that is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu's point. Okay, Upper Ganga River, Uttar Pradesh, because of this region, northern region, Upper Ganga, Uttar Pradesh. Bridge Ghat to Nalora stretch. Okay, Deepor Bill, that is Assam's Bill. Koleru Lake, Andhra Pradesh. Bhoj wetland, Madhya Pradesh. You have to remember it by your ways. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.